So last year I received a Fulbright Award, and it was a teaching award. So I went to the University of Ljubljana, and in Europe they call it the law faculty. And I actually taught comparative law in the fall and the spring semester. University students were all undergraduate, so that was a little bit of a difference. And they were all Slovenian. Actually, it was funny. The first semester I had, I don't know, 30 students, all third and fourth year, and graduate students, Slovenian. Then the second semester, I had half what they call Erasmus students. So in the European Union, they actually pay the students to go to different countries and study. So it was awesome. That semester, I had half Slovenian and then half citizens of all over the EU, plus a guy from Turkey and a guy from Brazil. One of the things that's super helpful to doing comparative law and to studying law in another country is the following insight. First, there are some things that are basically the same. So, for example, every group of humans that has anything approaching law makes murder illegal. So there's interesting data there, right? Like there's this thing that everybody agrees on. Like that's just a bad thing and we're not going to have it. Another example is in tort law. First of all, any legal system of any size at all has some system of tort law. So that tells you something, right? It's not only that we have to have a criminal law where we punish people for doing bad things, we also need to have compensation. So there's that level of it. It just takes you up another level of generality. So you can see the things that are common across all people, but then you can see the things that are different. And that's actually even more helpful, right? Like Slovenia and Germany and Japan all appear to be like highly functioning, well-run countries. Like you walk around there and there's nobody rioting in the streets. And they basically don't have a jury system, and they certainly don't have an adversarial system the way they do. Like core functions of the common law system and the American system are just done completely differently there. And so it sort of helps you think like, oh, well, there's some things that are built in that you have to have, and then there are other things that are optional. And isn't it interesting that in America we do it this way, whereas in 2/3 of the world they do it the other way?